Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful vibrant eye makeup look using my SOPH Revolution palette in the shade Extra Spice. This palette is really gorgeous and I'll just show you the shades that this palette has. So yeah, you can see it has some matte shades and it also has some shimmer shades. So it's really easy to work with this palette to create some gorgeous eye makeup look. And you can see it has some vibrant shades, some neutral shades, so mix of so many shades. So guys, today I'll be creating my first eye makeup look using this palette. Out of this palette, I'll be creating 7 different eye makeup look on 7 different days. But yeah, for today it will be my look number 1. So let's get started. So first I'll just prime my eyelids, and for that I'm using this concealer. This is from NYX. I've also applied a translucent powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout. So for my first shade, I'll be taking this shade Running Late in my fluffy brush. And I'll tap off any extra product from my brush. Then I'll apply this shade on the outer crease. You can see I'm applying it just above the crease of my eyes, and I'm getting a beautiful warm orangish brown shade on the top of my crease. I'll just build this product using the same fluffy brush, and you can see it's quite buildable and it's a very beautiful warm neutral shade. Now I'll be taking this shade. This shade is 21 and I'll take the shade in this thin fluffy brush. I'll apply the shade right on the crease of my eyes. This color is also very beautiful and it's really easy to build up and blend. I love that this eyeshadow palette comes with a beautiful mirror, and I'm using this mirror only. I'll take more of this pink color and build a little bit more of this pink color on the crease of my eyes. And then I'm going in again with the same Running Late shade that I used for the first time. And I'll take the same fluffy brush that I used to apply that shade, and I'll just blend these two shades together. Always remember to use different brushes for different shade, or if you don't have that many brushes, then just clean the brush before using a different shade on that. You can see I've got beautiful that orangish and pinkish shade. I can create a sunset look, but today I'll be doing cut and crease, so I'm using my concealer and I'll just apply it on my eyelid. And then using a brush to give that proper shape to this concealer. Now I'll be taking this shade Lasso and I'll use my fingers to get the good pigmentation. You can see how pigmented it is, and now I'll apply it on my eyelid. See the pigmentation? It has just popped out. You can use a brush to apply this, but I like to use my fingers to get a really high and dark pigmentation. Now I'll just clean up my cut crease, and for that I'm going in with my pink shade again and using the brush that I used to apply it, and I'll just shape it up correctly. I'll be taking this beautiful shade Enchanted, and I'll take another fluffy brush for this shade and I'll apply it just in the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'll just blend this golden with this Enchanted shade so that there is no harsh line visible in between these two shades. So that's it you guys for my upper eyelid. I'll apply my eyeshadows now in the lower lash line. So first I'll be going in with the shade Running Late, and I'll use the same fluffy brush, and I'll just press it like so as to make it feel thin, and I'll apply it underneath my eyes in the lower lash line like so. Then I'll go with the shade 21. I'll apply this pink shade, taking this outer pink shade as a guidance, and yeah, I'll apply it right like so. First, it's done for a shade Enchanted, and I'll apply it with this fluffy brush, and I'll press it, and then I'll just join it with that Enchanted shade that I applied on the outer corner of my eyes. And this is it, using my powder brush to just remove any fallouts. Now I think this is almost done, but if you want, you can apply this shade Dreams in the inner corner of your eyes. So I'm just going in with the shade and using my finger to do the same. But if you are happy with this look itself, then you don't need to go any extra, but it's me, I like to go extra sometimes. Also go ahead and apply the same shade on your brow bone area. I already had the leftover in my finger, so that's why I'm applying it in the brow bone area. See, this eyes is looking so beautiful. I'll just apply the same eye makeup on this side of my eyes, and I'll come back. Dun-ta-da! I'm back with my eye makeup on. I'm only left with my mascara and eyeliner, so I'll apply that as well, and I'll come back. I'll do that off camera so that I can save your time. So guys, I'm back with my complete eye makeup done, and you can see I've applied my eyeliner, and this is accentuating my eyeshadow look. You can see up close how my eye makeup is looking. And this eye makeup look is really good for this festive season, as Dussehra is around the corner. You can try this eye makeup. So that's it, you guys. This is my look number 1 I created using the palette SOPH from Makeup Revolution. I'll be creating more different eye makeup look using the single palette, and you will be able to see all those makeup look. So stay tuned on my YouTube and Instagram so that you can see all the different eye look that I create using a single palette. Guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and do follow me on my Instagram. It goes with the same name, Dreamboatsneha. And like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and do press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. So on that note, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.